Hi, so I'll be walking us through how to use Canned Replies. But before we begin to walk through, let's understand exactly what Canned Replies are. Now, Canned Replies are predetermined responses to common questions, right? Now, there are everyday common questions that customer comes to ask you. So it will be easier in that conversation, especially when you are chatting with more than one client, to just use canned replies to provide a prompt response to the customer that you are chatting with. Now, before you can use canned replies, it's advisable that you check the options and the makeup of the canned replies to see that it suits your unique business. And then if it is not, then you can also edit it. Now, canned replies is a feature that is available within live chats on our platform. So it allows you, give instant responses to your customers without having to type out that response. So let's see the kind of replies that are available on our platform. Remember, like I said before, the canned replies are editable. So to see canned replies, you go to configuration like we have here, and then you can see canned replies. So you come here to canned replies. So you can see the different categories of canned replies. So first and foremost, there's a title. So if it's about intro, if it's about a customer that is waiting, more intro. If it's about ending a chat, what to say. There are different categories that you can have, and then you can also now if this doesn't suit your unique business, you can come here to edit just like this, and then you edit and then you save. Yeah, and then also you can also add new canned replies. So let's say the list that you have, it's not exhaustive, so you can have as many as. So what are those common questions that usually want to give your customers an instant response? You just put the title here so that it's organized properly, and then you put the appropriate response and then you add. That's how you add a canned reply. So let's just do one. So let's say we say intro, and then you say, thank you for your time. How may we help you today? Or you can say, thank you. Thank you for reaching out to us. How may we help you today? And then you save this. And then let's look for our can reply. Where is it? And there you go, number 12, intro. And that's how you add a can reply. Now, when it actually comes to using this can replies, let's come to conversations. See if we have anyone on the support queue. So let's hold on and see if we can have someone real quickly on the support queue. So we have someone on the support queue right now. And then we will come to the support queue, pick the person. Now this is the person that is saying, person says hello, and then we want to start chatting, right? Okay, so to activate our can reply so we can select an appropriate response, we use the backslash. Yeah, so once you input the backslash, you can see all the can replies that you have, and then you can pick the one that is most appropriate, which I have, and then you can send. And then it hits the customer right immediately. So it saves you the time of chatting or of typing that whole sentence, and it allows you. So, for instance, the customer reached out by 10:17, and you replied almost within the same second. So that's how we use our canned replies. So I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you. Watch out for more of our how-to videos. Bye.